I am here with the prince of this kingdom. The prince and heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom. Abalawa. We have a problem. A problem with his accession to the throne. He is supposed to have a male child before he gets onto the throne. He does not have it. He wants to know if you can give him a little more time or change or bend the rules a little to favor him. That's why we are here.
No, even you are the custodian of this tradition and the culture. Well, I am only a messenger of the gods. I will ask the gods and get back to you. You can now go. Namani! Namani! The answer you seek of the gods is here. The gods insist that tradition cannot be changed nor manipulated. He has 10 months, only but 10 months, to present a male child, or the kingship will live Udemba's lineage. On my mountain. Nyanono.
Hello. I have a good to do. But then I'm okay with one child. I don't need another queen. You're just okay for me. And I love you so much. I love you more. My prince. My crown. I love you so much. Just do it for me. Do it for us. I'm sure the child will be a blessing. And maybe the gods will have pity on me and open my womb. No. Don't even go there. You're not buried. Look at me. You're not barren. Okay? And don't you ever think less of yourself. Don't ever think that you're not good enough for me. You're all I need. And I know that someday God will definitely smile on us and give us as many as we want. Okay? So, you see that. Okay. I'm not cry again. Stop crying. Okay.
could you be this reckless? Why would you pay the word to bring doom upon your marriage? You asked the prince to take another maiden. For what?
My dear, I had to advise him to take another wife so as to secure the throne and end this problem of childlessness.
But you know that's not the best option.
See, I will advise you to discourage the prince from this arrangement.
I have a plan to take you to a herbalist who can help solve your problems. Yes, of course. Trust me, this one is good. You know I can't deceive you now. Just don't worry, everything will be fine. But you have to do something about it. Don't worry.
My princess, this is aloe vera. When you get home, grind all of them together, then mix it with palm oil. Take it 1 spoon in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night. In 7 days' time, you will see the result. It will clear your wombs and you'll start making babies. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
This will work. You know I've tried to
Trust me.
Anne, good morning.
Adore. I heard noise inside. So let me come out and check.
The one. I brought yams so that I'll boil for you for breakfast. And then when I got here, everywhere was dirty. So I decided to sweep first before I come and get you.
Thank you.
How are you feeling this morning?
I'm fine. Thank you. May the gods bless you.
Amen.
For all the love and care you showed to me. May the gods bless you for me. May the God bless you beyond your equals.
Amen.
You will stand out.
Amen.
Thank you, Adore. Thank you.
Amen. You're my sister. Yeah. Just quickly go back inside. Let me sweep and then boil the yam so we can eat, okay?
Okay.
Alright. No, wait, let me help you. That's right.
The meal tastes nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. May the God bless you.
Amen.
Imagine the delicious meal you prepare for an orphan like me. What would have I done without you? It's okay.
You know you mean the world to me. This is nothing. Anyway, leave that. Let's go back to the story I was telling you. So my dear, immediately the guard walked up to me and said the prince requested my presence. I almost died.
Makagini, you almost died. He's first a human before a king.
Human? What human want to discuss with me? Adure, poor girl, orphan, and above all, laborer in the royal poultry. Such humans don't talk to me.
My dear, don't bring yourself short. Huh? Don't bring yourself short. I know I can't see, but I know you're beautiful. I know you have a good heart. That alone makes you an important person.
Thank you. Thank you. Beautiful. Okay.
I know what I am saying. You are a great person.
Thank you, Anne. Thank you.
Can I have some more food?
Yeah, sure. I'm bringing it. Beautiful. Okay.
Please tell me more about
Adure. I hope she hasn't committed any crime. Okay, in that case, Adure is a very hard-working maiden. She has a heart of gold. She's a very nice person. As a matter of fact, she's the best among all of us here.
Okay, that's all about it.
Adure.
Greetings, my prince.
How are you?
I'm fine, my prince.
Stop trembling. Are you afraid to see the prince?
To what do I owe this royal visit, my prince?
Very well then, let's just say the prince was bored, so he decided to have a cruise. But on that mission, he remembered all of a sudden that there is a maiden in this kingdom that he needs to find out where she lives.
Okay.
Come on, Adure. Won't you offer me a seat to at least welcome the presence of the prince?
Here. Okay, let me get you a chair. And he stayed for so long. Huh? But before he left, he said he was going to help me. I was shocked beyond words. king visit me? I'm a nobody. I'm not even beautiful. Look at my clothes. I wear rags. Why will he come and see me? I'm a nobody. Honey, I've been talking and you're not saying anything.
What is there to say? Time will tell. You have a touch of destiny. Let's wait to see.
What are you doing here by this time of the night? And without any guard?
Are you not happy to see me? I am the prince of this kingdom. I choose to go to wherever I want. And moreover, this is my guard. Be nice. Offer me a seat. Never mind. I'll help myself.
Your Highness, all the people of Umugi say that your praise is safe at this time in the house of an orphan like me.
Adure, I am the prince of this kingdom and I choose to go to wherever I want. There's nowhere love can take you to.
Huh?
If you're so concerned about what the people of Umugene kingdom would say about a prince visiting another woman, or visiting a woman rather, then why don't you take me inside?
My prince. It's not proper now. It's not proper.
Come on. Adure, come on. I don't owe anybody any explanation. What's not proper there? It's a normal thing. This is where I want to be. Let's go here.
No.
Then I am sorry. As the prince of this kingdom, I command you to take me inside. Now.
Rumor has it that we had a chat with the prince of this kingdom.
And you didn't even have the courtesy to tell us.
No, he sent his dad to me and I went, that's all.
So why did this? Of all religions, not just me.
All the beautiful ladies working in this family. Why you? Or is there anything about
There is nothing. He was just concerned because I was carrying a very big envelope. That's all.
So why does he care?
He doesn't care. He's just concerned.
Why would he be?
I don't know. All these questions, eh? Maybe we should go to the palace and ask him.
Are you sure you've not committed anything? Anyway, you have to be very careful. You're just concerned. That's all.
Is that why you pulled me out from work? To ask me this?
Adure.
Oh.
This way you're sleeping by this time of the day. Hope you're okay.
I'm fine. I just have little malaria.
Oh, sorry. My mother said I should come and call you to go and finish the work he started in our farm.
Is that today?
Today.
What's it, yeah? And I'm even supposed to plant some seeds for AJ. Yeah, what will I do? Okay, tell your mother that I'm coming.
Take care. What?
What kind of sleep is this one under this hot sun? Let me quickly go and plant for this woman.
What's your problem? You've been sleeping since you came here. The little seeds I gave you to plant in this small land. You've not even finished it. Do you want me to call another person?
No, please don't call another person. I'm very sick. You know I don't behave this way. Please. I'm very sick. Your temperature is even very high.
Have you taken some herbs?
Yes, I've taken some anti-malaria herbs.
I think you should just go home.
Hey, go?
Yes. When you get yourself, you can come back and finish the work. No problem.
Please stand up. Give me help.
Thank you very much.
playing. What are you looking for in my hair?
I'm arranging your hair for it.
This. Hey, Ada. It's not like Adure not showing up in the farm today. I'm worried about her.
Well, maybe she's not sleeping. Or she went to visit that blind baby on Monday. I think instead of sitting here yesterday, we should go to my house and do it. Right. But what do you want us to do? Don't worry, I'll not see that. Alright? So, we do that.
Funny. I have been very sick. Wow. I have taken all the anti-malaria medicine I know. Yet I'm still feeling feverish. And I sleep at every slight opportunity. I don't know what's wrong with me.
When last did you see your monthly visitor?
Which monthly visitor? It's only the prince that visits me. And I've been avoiding him for a few market weeks now.
Adore, that's not the visitor I mean. I mean, when last did you see your womanly flow?
That should be 8 market weeks ago. I'm confused.
Who did you lay with?
The prince.
The prince?
And how very sure are you?
My prince, I'm sure.
Prince Ikenna will soon become a father. May the gods be praised.
Sister, please come and help me. Sister, Sister, please, can you please come and help me?
Adure, the tireless maiden, how have you been? You have succeeded in hiding yourself away from me. Now tell me, is there anything I need to know?
Your Highness, I don't have anything to say.
Adure, I know you have a child with you, my child. The heir apparent to the throne of this great kingdom. But one thing I don't understand is, why did you keep it away from me? You should have told me about the pregnancy. Listen to me. From now henceforth, I don't want you to go for your menial jobs anymore. Then secondly, I also like to let you know that proper arrangements has been made for a better accommodation and the upkeep of my unborn child. Yes. You should live like one of us now, because your womb has brought you a good fortune. Do you understand? Okoro.
Waka, what is it? Speak to me.
The worst has happened.
What happened?
The prince got a maiden pregnant.
What?
Yes, I have made the worst mistake of my life.
Of course you have.
Seriously.
Hey, this is not a good one at all.
It is not. I don't know what to do, John.
Waka, something must be done about this. Something must be done.
Okay.
Hi. We must stop her.
Yes, please.
We must stop her.
We have to stop her. We must stop her, please. Please.
Don't worry. We will. I will help you in this. I'm with you.
Wajuru no mimi wale 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 why no di me ya wajuru no mimi.
My prince, this is good welcome news. I was expecting to hear something good, but I never ever expected it was going to be something like this.
Thank you, Jay.
Hey, yes.
Jay Namani. I'm very glad that it's a good news to you. I have no doubt that you will definitely guide me right. You have always been a very good friend to my late father, the king. That was why I sent for you.
Yes, well,
Then as for the lady, she's a very beautiful maiden, no doubt. That was why I sent for you. To tell me the processes on how to legitimize the child.
This is good. The maiden is very beautiful. Sharpshooter! Hey! You know what? This thing is a alacrity movement straight to the throne for you. You have nothing to worry about. Hey, this is good. This is good. We have been praying that that is what we have seen in the Ukwana. Hey, we've been praying for a child because that is what is going to give you access to the throne. And now you have it. Hey, thank you, Chineke, thanks out. The process is not much. So the process is, we have to start the process of bringing in the maiden into the palace as your wife. Yes. Are you not happy?
Uche, I do not need another queen. All I need is the child, that's all.
You don't need another queen. You will not get another queen. You already have a queen. You just bring her in as your wife. You can even marry a second one, a third one, 4 wives, even more than that. As a matter of fact, you can fill this palace with women, wives. Do you understand? All we need are their children. And in this case, what we need from this maiden is that child. And let's pray the child becomes a male child. So the mother is it. Traditionally. Yes.
DJ, are you saying in all sincerity that the child cannot be legitimized if the mother is not in the picture?
Bam! Bam! That's what it is. We will have to get the elders. Up wine and go to the parents of this maiden. Yes.
Very well then. Then let the plan of a royal wedding begin.
I remember your wedding.
Yes. Oh, you will. It means for me to lay claim to that child.
But that was not the plan. You were not supposed to marry her.
Yes, I know I wasn't supposed to marry her, but the tradition and the custom of our land demands for what I'm about to do. I am helpless, my love.
I am supposed to be your only queen.
Of course! You are my only queen. There is no other, and I love you. Okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, I am very sure.
Can I ask you a question?
Please go ahead.
Do you love her?
No, I don't. Listen, all I'm asking for is the child, nothing more. You're my queen. No one can replace you. It's okay.
Just a child and she goes.
Hello. Why is it that here alone looking worried? You should be in your chamber, no fear. Anything you matter? Talk to me. Talk to me.
My prince, I would like to ask you for a favor. And I pray you grant me this request.
Favor. I'm listening.
I would love to cook for the father of my child and my friends. And so I ask for permission.
My love, listen. I will never allow you stress yourself, considering your present condition. That can come later. Moreover, we have a royal cook.
I didn't go anywhere. I didn't do anything. Please, it will give me joy to do it.
Would that make you happy?
Yes, it will.
Very well then. So why don't you give me that bright smile? And how is my baby doing, the heir apparent to the throne of this great kingdom?
I don't know what to think. I don't know what to expect. I'm confused. At the same time, I'm scared. Me, Adure, from a common worker to the wife of a prince. No, it's surprising to me.
Ada, there's nothing to be scared of. You don't need to be afraid. You are a destiny child. It's your destiny. And I know it. And I know that your good heart and strength will lead you.
It's
one name. I hope you'll still find time to visit me after being crowned the queen.
Of course! I'll still be coming to fetch water for you and firewood. Who will stop me?
Thank you. May the gods bless you.
Amen. You don't have to worry. Ijendo, you've been a very good friend. Of all my friends, you've been outstanding. You've showed me love and care, and I am very grateful. Remember the promise I made to you that if any slight opportunity shows itself for me to reward you of the kindness and love that you have showed me, I will do it.
Yesterday, my husband gave me permission to appoint someone that will be taking care of Okeji. It's a royal appointment, and I want it to be you.
Really?
Yes, Ijendo. Please, I want you to show her the love that you have showed me. I want you to take care of her like your sister.
I'm so happy, my princess. It is a privilege. And I promise you, I will try to the best of my ability to deliver.
Thank you, Ijendo. I will make all the necessary arrangements and provide everything you need so the both of you can be comfortable.
Who is here? Who is here?
Who are you? Who are you?
It's Adure's guard.
Adure. I hope Adure is fine.
She's fine. She sent me to bring Ijendo, or you should be the one taking care of you.
I'm here. Where is she?
I'm here.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I will take my leave now.
Thank Adore for me.
I will do that.
Send my regards to her. The God will bless her.
Sure.
Adore, God will bless you. For all the love and care you're showing to me, God will bless you. Your husband will love you. You will have so many children. You'll be best among your co-wives.
Uncle, I'm going to tell you that the prince and his people are coming in 7 days' time to perform my traditional rites. And you know you're the only father that I have. So I came to tell you so you can prepare.
I'm ever ready.
And I'll also be giving you some money so you can buy all you need and be prepared.
God bless you.
Thank you.
I'm coming.
Okay.
You shall bear us as many children as you want.
Thank you.
Ori? Ori? Give me mine.
She's very tired. I know she's heavy now. She can't come out. So I should give you this money. She go to the market and get food stuff for her sister upkeep. That she will bring more when she come visit you.
I hope she's okay.
She's good.
Hey! And where do you think you're going to with my husband's money? Let me have it. Give me the money! You deaf. Oh, so because the prince actually helped that wretched thing to plant a seed inside of her, she thinks she can come here to squander my husband's money. Now, before I close this eyes and open it, I want you out of this palace now. Get out! Out! Come back here. I know you were assigned as Ajure's personal maid, but I want to tell you that you are a maiden in this palace and you are entitled to work for everybody and not just a particular person. Have I made myself clear? Get up. No, come back here. One more thing, for your information, henceforth, all the maids and guards in this palace takes orders from me or the prince and no one else. You heard that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Out for real. Get out. Out! Rubbish. at all.
I'm happy for Adura. I can't wait to see her baby. Look at this place. This place is beautiful. Adura is now enjoying her royal home. I wish I can live here with her.
Who are you people and what are you doing in this palace?
You don't know us again.
I don't know. What are you doing here?
We came to visit our friend, Adure.
As what? I'm asking you, as what? The worst of it all is that you people left the front of the house. And you came into the compound to do what? As what? And as for you, you think I have forgotten how you insulted me? Well, I have not. So please, before I close this eyes and open it, I want you both out of this palace. Yes, immediately. Out of this palace, please. Out. Came to see Adure. Can you just imagine? Can you imagine the insult that we made that stupid queen gave me? Huh? If she had not thrown herself at the king, got pregnant and had a baby, what would I be doing in that palace? What? She must leave that palace. See that palace? She must leave that place and go back to her native house. Yes! Poor people will not remain poor. No! Rather, they will be going around insulting and spoiling beautiful ladies like us that have future. Rubbish.
Sister Days.
What? What is it?
What I should tell you, after doing what you're doing, it's your turn to cook soup. So you go and cook the soup.
Eh?
Yes.
My turn to do what?
To cook the soup.
Are you mad?
Come here! Come back here!
Are you seeing what I'm seeing in this palace?
What I see?
Waka wants Adure out.
Shh! Waka wants Adure out?
Yes.
How do you mean? How is it possible? How does she expect the prince to send Adure and his son back here?
Waka is jealous and arrogant.
I didn't see it in her.
You didn't see it in her because you don't have eyes. Waka is an impotent. She's a pretender.
How on earth did this happen? How is that ugly orphan? How did she manage to place him? How did she even catch the prince's attention? Is she bewitching? It's possible that she bewitched the prince. Because how can the prince leave somebody like me for that ugly Adure? I can't worry. But I must do something. I must bring that marriage. She will come back to this farm. Yes, she belongs to this farm. I'm the one that's supposed to be in that palace enjoying, living luxury life.
ugly people, they do farm work, do hard labor. She will come back to this one. Ha! Yes, what is it?
Queen Waka will always look for one trouble or the other. If she's not doing this, she's doing that. It has not been easy. And to make matters worse, my husband has not invited me into his room ever since I stepped my foot in that compound. I can't go anywhere. I can't do anything. It's not easy, Vico. It's not.
Ada, marriage is not a bed of roses. There are ups and downs in marriage. If your husband doesn't come to you, you go to him. Don't make problem with your senior wife. Respect her. And God will fight for you.
Oh, Nim, I've heard you. Thank you for the advice. Let me quickly cook something for you before I leave now.
Ada, from my calculation, you should be due to put to bed.
Yes.
Will you be able to cook for me?
Yes. I'm pregnant. I'm not crippled. Please. Ijendu, please come and help me up. And let's cook something before I leave, okay?
Ada, God will bless you.
Amen.
Alright.
Ada, why are you so bitter?
Why shouldn't I be? Eh?
If I don't know you better, I would have said you're jealous of Adu.
Jealous of that thing? With her head like jealous of her. For what?
I am only surprised that the prince got married to her. When everybody knows that I am the one that wants the prince. Ha!
What is funny?
Look at that girl. It's a little mover. The prince was married and he never had an eye on any other maiden.
My point exactly. That's exactly my point. How come the prince went for her? Are you sure that she did not hypnotize the prince? She can do everything. She's very desperate. Because I want to know. I want to know. Take a prince and get a she will go for Adure or Mama. Is it possible?
Adeze! Why would you say a thing like that? See, Adure did not do anything to the prince. The prince came for her.
And I am asking why the prince went for Adure and not Adeze.
Ada, I don't like the way this topic is going to. Please, can we change this topic? Can we change this topic? Look at you. You are here, disturbing yourself, while Adore is in the palace, living her luxurious life. Look at you. Me and you, we are still here, looking for a way to farm and to make ends meet. No. Look at her. No, come, let's stay here and gossip. Let's stay here and gossip. Don't go and do what is important.
Ada.
One name.
I had a bad dream 2 nights ago. But I waited because I know you'll come, so I'll tell you about it.
What was the dream about?
I was in a dream. And a masquerade was chasing after you. The masquerade struck your stomach and you lost your pregnancy.
May God forbid it, eh?
Hey, I need you to be careful. You really have to be careful. Because this dream means trouble. The evil ones are after you. They want you to lose your glory by losing your pregnancy. This is what I want you to do. I want you to go to Nyefe market. Get Apuka leaf. Use it whenever you want to go out. That leaf will help preserve you. Whoever plans evil against you, it will return back to them. Okay?
Thank you very much, Mommy. Thank you.
Please be careful.
I will
be careful.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? She's not here. My prince, this is your child, a male child.
A male child?
Yes.
Oh.
Thank you to the great gods of this land. Finally, I am now a father. Oh yes, Prince Ikenna is now a true father. May the gods be praised. Thank you for making my ascension to the throne faster.
Adure. Adure. Wow, you look so gorgeous. You've always been appealing to me. May the gods be with you, please.
Thank you.
And how are you doing? Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I am.
And how is my son?
He's doing just fine.
May the gods be praised. That's all I want to hear. Can I spend time with my son? I mean, father and son relationship, communication.
Of course, Your Highness, can. Ori! Ori! Please bring the baby. Thank you.
Oh, you're so cute, my son. You look so much like your father. May the gods of our ancestors continue to guide you and protect you in all you do, son. So help me.
Sorry,
Thank you.
You doesn't seem to be in the mood.
Okay.
Okay.
Take care of yourself, Adure.
Come, let's go.
Adure,
Not much yet, please.
always remember, I care.
Thank you very much. Okay,
This is unbelievable. Everything is changing so fast. This was my idea, and now my idea is turning to my doom. How do I get back my husband all to myself? Gods of our land, please, please come to my aid.
I hope you're good.
Sure, I'm good. My prince, I want to discuss something with you. I searched for you in your chamber last night and you were not there.
Oh yes, that's true. I was in Adure's chamber. I had a one-on-one with my son. Was that why you wanted to see me?
Oh, well, not really, but it is still about Ajiri. When will she be leaving?
Why do you want her to go? And where do you want her to go with my son? Have you forgotten I married her?
But that was not the plan. We had a plan. That once she gives birth, we take the child and she goes.
Stop it. Stop talking like one of those foolish women out there. You are a royalty. Wise woman don't talk like the way you do. I will be the king of this great kingdom in the next 14 days. I mean 14 days. And all you ask from me is to let her go with my son. I will become the king of this kingdom just in 14 days. 14 days I will be the king. And all you are requesting from me is to send away the woman that gave me a son, which made my ascension to the throne a fruitful one. You're wicked. Now let me ask you this. Give me one reason why you want me to send her and my son away.
I don't care. Oh yes, I don't care, because we had an agreement. Listen and listen very good. Remember, you actually made a promise. You told me you never wanted two queens, that you just needed me. So what's happening? I don't understand, like, why are you changing your mind? I know.
Enough! Stop it! Have you lost your sense of reasoning? How dare you? I remain the prince of this kingdom.
My husband.
And whatever I say stands. I decide who comes in and goes out of this palace. Now listen to me. Like I said before, I have just 14 days to ascend this throne. I do not need any scandal at all. And I do not need any more trouble from you. So stop it!
happening? We had an agreement. You said that you will be king and I will be your only queen. Why then are we going to be two? Why? Reminding me that she gave you a son. I'm so ashamed of myself. I'm ashamed of myself for not being able to have my own child. What did you see?
Princess Waka is crying.
Princess Waka crying?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let me go and find out.
My princess, you are crying. What happened? I came to check if I might be of help.
If you don't leave here this minute, I will make you regret the day you were born. Now get out!
I'm sorry.
Get out!
My princess.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! I need to be left alone. Yes. I need to face my fears. Waka, what have you done to yourself? What wrong decision have you made? I will soon be a laughing stock in this village.
Abibi, I know you hate Abibi. Yes, I know. I have an idea of what you do to take her out of the palace without any suspicion. Yeah?
Hey!
Just like that.
Ọchalụ m n'ụzọ.
Ozugbo nje.
Hi! Hi! Hey! Ka ife na-akọzi ife a? Jigodi nwamba. She thinks he can compete with me. Adaeze, ọmalịcha, ọkwụrụ ọkalịsịa.
Ugogbe Igbo.
Nne! Henceforth, you're my best friend.
I'm gonna do this.
The best of my best. Hey! Give me one of me fastest. Just like that, I will take her out of the way. Let's go back to the house.
How did it go?
Really? I was able to confess her visit to it.
Really? And she accepted? Thank you so much, my dear.
In a few days' time, we will see the results.
Oh, thank you so much, my dear. Thank you. But you have to start calling now. I'll come to you later. All right. Take it. Okay, yeah. Ujunwa said you have something to tell me.
Yes. I know how to take that thing out of the palace.
Oh, really? I don't want to ask you how, but I want to know why you want to do that for me.
Not for you or for anybody. I am doing it for my personal reason.
Personal reason? The most important thing is that she will be out of the palace. So what do you want me to reward you with?
I'm not doing this for any reward. Like I said, it's for my personal reason.
Really? Okay, fine. Please, just try as much as you can to take her out of that palace. I want her out of the palace. I want her out of my husband's life. Because she actually came to ruin my life, to take me out of the palace by getting pregnant. Please, just do it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. What is it? Yeah, what is it? What does the first wife of the prince want from you? Huh? What else but to want us to stay away from the palace? Are we not supposed to visit our friend again? Visit our friend? That's not fair. So what do you? I see you like insult. The other time you visited, you are not okay with it. You like insult of where? Well, continue visiting. Don't say I did not want you. But that's not fair. That's not fair. You should the only princess in this kingdom.
Wale.
What are you doing?
Take it easy, we are not quarreling. I came to see you. Why are you angry?
You came to see me for how long? For like how many years now? What are you doing? Tell me.
Like I said, we are not quarreling. I came to see you. By the way, this someone in your room.
I'm alone. Nobody's in my room. But tell me, what are you doing here?
I will tell you. Why are they saying? Calm down. Listen, I am here to tell you the reason I've not been delivering all your messages and advances to Adure.
Hey, you see, I said it before, and I'll keep saying it. Uru ano nishazo. Oh, you mean you have not been delivering all my messages to Adure? No wonder she didn't accept my proposal. Ha!
Listen.
Adeze.
Well, that is because I love you. Honestly, again, I love you.
You said you love me. Why didn't you tell me all this? Why? Yes. Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't know how to tell you. Besides, how can I tell you that I love you when you're in love with another person?
At least you would have at least told me or given me a sign. Well,
I'm telling you now. Ekene, I love you. Yes. Let's go inside.
No. You cannot go inside though. See, Adeze, Uru, Ano, Nishazo. Whatever you want us to discuss, don't worry, I have a seat. I'm coming.
Let's go inside.
Adeze, wait, I'm coming.
Hey. Yeah.
Adeze, I have a seat. Sit down. Whatever you tell me.
Okay. Like I told you before, I love you. Look into my eyes, here for love, my face, everything. I love you.
Adese, I should look into your eyes. I am not seeing any love. I am not seeing any love.
Now look well, in enough, you will see love.
Wait a minute, I'm not seeing any love. Tell me why you are here. Love.
Hi. Listen, I am here because I want you to do me a favor.
Favor?
Yes.
Go ahead. What's the favor all about?
Okay, listen. How would you want to... how would you like to shame Andrew? Yes. Treat her the way she treated you. And drive her out of that palace. Remember all the things she did to you. Called you names, insulted you, snubbed you, walking and Maggie. Where is the value? Remember all the things she did to you. It is time for revenge. Time for you to get back. Revenge. Do you understand?
You see,
No. You don't need to say anything. Just do it. Meanwhile, let's go inside and do see. You can walk inside. I want to see a guy. Let's go inside.
I said it and I'll keep saying it. You run on each other. Let's go inside. Hey, you run on each other. Chinedu.
My man, KJ. Kele the champion.
Guess what?
You know I'm not good in guessing. Tell me, what happened?
Guess what?
What? Tell me.
I said it. And I will say it again.
Nura no Nishaze.
And I will keep saying it. Nura no Nishaze, my brother.
What is it this time around? Sorry, I'm looking so excited.
Oh, Bago.
You know Bago, what no?
Yes, oh, Bago.
Tell me you're lying. Okay, what happened?
Adese is so sweet.
You mean that you have finally...
Yes.
Don't mind Adese.
Now listen, I took it from the back.
Hey! Against the champion! Don't mind Adese.
She's so sweet.
You see what she has. Don't mind Adese, you finally...
But.
Okay. What again?
Sit down.
I've been thinking. What about again? After that, she gave me a condition. Like, the condition is attached to it. What condition? God forbid, Ekene, you will do no such thing. Who is Adese to send you to a suicidal mission like that? Do you know what Adese is asking you to do? To go and commit suicide at the palace. Any day you step your foot into that palace, Ekene, you are not coming back alive. Have you been to the palace before? They have guns, machetes, talk more of every other weapon to protect themselves. Ekene, don't do that. Don't ever think of that. Please, I'm begging you, as your friend. Ekene, you will not do that, my friend.
Ijendo has been of great help to me. Ever since you brought her, she's made life easy for me. I don't know what would have done without her. Imagine a blind woman like me.
I'm glad you're happy. That's the whole point of sending me Ijendo. So she can help you whenever you need help. Okay? You don't have to worry.
Hey, Ada. The last time you told me you were not feeling well. How are you feeling now?
I feel okay. But I'm just tired and I always throw up.
Tired? Throw up. Ada, I think you're with a child.
A child?
Yes.
Again?
You show the signs.
As far as offering my body to him. But he's yet to do what I asked him to do. That's why I'm here. I want you to use your spiritual powers to push him to do that which I desire.
Mean you gave your body to him?
Yes! Till the next morning. Yet he has not been able to do what I asked him to do. So I want you to use your spiritual powers. Where are ping pong carrots so that he can do it.
Your request shall be granted.
Ha! Nakanje Komakage. Odogu! Gaga Odogu! Hey! I think I woke over. Thank you. That's why I'm here.
But only on one condition.
Any condition? How much? Even if I don't have money for it, I will pay. Any amount. Just tell me.
You will give me my own share.
Your own share of what? I'm not sharing meat or fish. We share.
I
know.
You will give me what you gave to him.
Huh? You mean?
Except you don't want your request to be granted. Yes. Are you ready?
That's exactly my point. How come this went for her? Are you sure that she did not steal the other girl? She can do everything. She's very desperate. Because I want to know. I want to know. Take her place in their foot. She will go for a drink. Or mama. Ada.
You see what I was telling you? All this your gara. Fight here and there. You're not a. You see? All my hope of becoming the mother of the next king of this kingdom has been dashed to the ground. Courtesy of who? Ades.
It's possible that she bewitched the prince. Because how can the prince leave somebody like me for that ugly Adu? But I must do something. I must ruin that marriage. She will come back to this farm. Yes, she belongs to this farm. I'm the one that is supposed to be in that palace enjoying, living luxury life. Ugly people, they do farm work, do hard labor. She will come back to this farm. Ha!
You will do it! Can I check?
Doing in this palace? You actually came out from Adire's chamber. Who are you? Who are the guards? Okoro! Ebube! Okoro! No. Do not come in, okay? Do not come in. Let's make them right.
Go down! You are not the shadow. Go down! Down!
What is going on in my palace?
My husband, this young man was caught sneaking out from Adire's chamber. And when I asked what he came to this palace to do, he actually confessed that he is Adire's lover, that they are having an affair.
Let him speak for himself. Young man, now speak.
It's true, Your Highness. I've been having an affair with Adure. Adure is my lover. Yes. Even her friends, they are aware of it.
Adure. And where is Adure?
Oh, she ran away. The shameless thing ran away.
Adure! It is indeed a taboo. A taboo that we are hearing this thing happening here. How can the wife of a prince be associated with this kind of a thing? And it's an abomination that it's alleged to have been happening in the royal palace.
Oh no. You and I know that the custom and the tradition of this land forbids such act. The woman in question will be banished.
Hi! Makagin why you? Please again, caution. I say caution, caution, caution! What is it? The woman we're talking about, I know that woman to be virtuous. This is the same woman who gave you a male child.
Oh no. I know you know Prince Ikena very well. I do not just react. But my wife, my first wife, told me confidently in the presence of everybody that she saw the young man sneaking out of Adure's chamber, sweating heavily. The question is, what on earth and how on earth did that young man get into this palace? Not to talk of Adure's personal chamber.
Who else saw him coming out? Who else? We are talking about the same maiden. The same maiden who gave you a name child. You yourself told me that this maiden was virtuous even before you met her. One person will see, another must witness. Can you witness? Listen, I told you, well, even I gas, wala. anya nene sisi na akwụkwọ ya o. Si wọnú gbọmọ ayọ.
Oh no. The boy in question confessed to me that he did it.
Hey! George Abasa.
Okora could leave us. Adure, I broke your maiden head. I made you a woman. Tell me, how did you do it?
I swear, no man has ever seen my nakedness, let alone cross my legs.
Shut up.
But your friend Daisy confessed to me that you had a lover. Now tell me the truth. Was it before or after I laid with you?
I have never laid with any man. I am innocent. I swear with the life of my child and the life of my unborn child. I have never.
Enough! Never you swear with the life of my son again!
Ikenna, I am innocent. I don't know what you want to believe, but I am innocent.
Okoraku! Lock out!
My prince, I have seen her.
Igokwe, it is quite unfortunate that your news turned into bad news overnight. But one thing I didn't know was she was evil, an infidel.
Now, my prince, your second wife is my niece. Your second wife is the daughter of my little brother. Yes. But that will not make me support evil. I am not a supporter of evil. I cannot vouch for that girl. The monk said that he can only vouch for the child in his womb. I have one advice to give you. If she is found wanting, if she is found guilty, then she should be punished. I don't understand. Even go one, you won't get a video. Eh? One, you won't get a video.
That was a wise thought. Then, justice must be served.
How are you?
I'm not fine. Look at me. Just look at me.
I need not ask you if you're innocent, because I know you are. Even the blind knows you are innocent. So stop crying. Stop crying.
No man has ever had carnal knowledge of me except the prince. I'm innocent. How do I say this?
Adore, you know we have been friends together before you got married. I know you like the tip of my finger, and I can vouch for you like a referee.
Mme, I want you to stop crying. Stop crying. The day of reckoning is close. And everyone that has plotted this evil against you will be exposed. Don't cry. I don't want you to cry again, okay?
One Neka.
Yes.
Your hair is stubborn.
It's not my fault. It's my nature. All the ladies in this village has long hair. I'm the only one with black hair.
One Neka.
Yes.
There is trouble.
Trouble? How do you mean?
I heard that Ikenna was caught sneaking out of Adure's chamber.
What? But how sure are you?
I overheard my father and the elders discussing about it. And from the look of things, she might be banished from this village.
Banished?
Mm-hmm.
This is serious.
Chief.
Brother Chinedu, stop crying. Can't keep crying over this your friend again. Stop, please. He got what he deserved. Tell me, how can a normal human being be caught sneaking out of the prince's wife's chamber? Hey, brother. I hope he's enjoying his stay in the palace cell.
Oh no. I have come to seek your advice on something because a whole lot of things are not adding up to me at all. I was the first man that laid with Adure. I am the first man who touched her. I made Adure a woman, but I still do not understand a woman who has kept herself for so long will commit such an abominable act. Oh no, something is fishing. I am confused and I need to find out.
People do not change overnight. Awolago keji amago. The maiden we are talking about is known throughout this village as hardworking, as being virtuous. Yes. So I don't understand this. Just like you said, it does not add. It does not add up one bit. Maybe we should call the maiden whose name was mentioned and ask her one or two things. It's indeed a surprise to me. This is complicated, and I can only advise that we approach it carefully. Caution.
So, no, are you suggesting I invite the maiden for question?
Oh, we're just being careful. So we need to be.
Inekeligwe na okwu ihe na-eme n'ụwa, ekekere ụwa na okwu ihe na-eme n'ụwa.
Adore Mam, did you do it?
Wait. It's like you're just parroting it. I didn't do it. Adure, answer me now. Did you do it? Quiet! Adure, do you know Ekene?
Yes.
Good. Ekene, with whom you did it, has confessed to the act. And what's this girl's name? Adeze. You work in the same place with Adeze. And Adeze also has attested to the fact. Why are you hell-bent on denying?
I didn't do it. They're lying. I am innocent of these crimes. I didn't do it.
Adeze, look at us here. We are the elders in council. If we take you before Okundo's shrine, will you swear an oath?
Yes, I'll swear.
Father, are you going now?
I'm coming in.
Father, is it true that Adure will be banished from this kingdom?
Father, do you think she did what she's accused of?
Stop this now.
Wait, now I'm asking you for
Adure, banished. I don't know about punishment. Yet, the prince seems to have made up his mind what to do. Whether to banish or not to banish. Adure. Only our gods will save her. Complicated. Yeah, Ndadu. Go and get my tie. I don't know.
Papa.
Go get my cup.
You don't want any discharge, you.
Dad, bring her out. Take her back in 5 minutes' time.
Don't cry. I keep having this feeling I will not see you again. God forbid. I will not die. I will survive the oath. Don't cry. Be gentle. Bring the food.
Okay, ready?
Ijendo, sister, go inside. Sister, please let me take you inside. Go inside. Sister, but I want to take you inside. Please, let me take you.
Go inside!
Go!
God of my fathers,
Why have you forsaken me? I lost my parents mysteriously. I've been left alone to suffer in this world. Now the only helper that I have is going to die for a sin she knows nothing. God, are you still there? Why will you allow all this evil to befall me? I will not live to watch Adore die. It is better I die than to live to hear of her death. Take my life! Take my life! Take my life! Sister! Somebody please help me!
Chineke likwasị na okwu ekekere ụwa siri na okwu ihe na-eme n'ụwa obi n'ikwe na okwu ihe na-eme n'ụwa ụwa nọ n'ime ya ụwa juru n'omimi.
Tomorrow is the D-Day. Yes. Is either Adure is being killed, banished, or vindicated. Hi.
What a poor girl. No father, no mother, only left with a wicked uncle who doesn't even care. Hi. I pity her.
The one that pains me most is because we are not going to be allowed to go and witness it. Because of the decision of those king's cabinet. Ha! Poor Adure. I can't believe this. Hi!
What do you see?
God of my fathers, you are a caretaker of justice and peace. An innocent queen has been accused of infidelity, a crime she knows nothing of. She has no strength or power of her own to free herself. I ask that you, God of justice, go and fight her battle.
Indeed, I'm a god of justice. He who comes to me with clean hands will definitely go home victoriously. My daughter, go home. Go home.
May your glory reign forever, for you are the God of justice and peace.
Go.
We all know why we are gathered. Adure here has been accused of having an affair. Our princess here, Princess Nwaka, saw a young man coming out of her room, sweating profusely. He has since confessed that he had carnal knowledge of Adure. But Adure denies it all. So we have come here. We have therefore brought her here to swear an oath to prove her innocence. Abala wine. Ogum Diche. Why?
Ọjabu si mu wetali obi danda. Ọkwa agba mbụ otu n'ọgwụ agba abụọ otu n'ọgwụ obodo n'ụsọ ọgwụ kapịla akị. Ọkwa onye nwata ga-ekwu ebe anyị asụbali anya. Adure. Death or punishment awaits you. Found you. Though coconut is sweeter than kola nut, but we treat kola nut with respect. The mountain that is closer to the river does not fear rainfall. Now, take this. And repeat after me. If I have ever laid with another man, since the prince took me in as a wife, let the gods strike me dead. But if I am being accused falsely, let it return back to my accusers.
If I've ever lived with any other man since the prince took me in as a wife, let the gods strike me dead. But if I'm wrongly accused, let it go back to my accusers.
I'll confess. No. She's innocent. She's innocent. I planned it all. I was so pained when I noticed the prince was falling in love with her, and he gives her more attention. I had to plan with her friend Adese. When I noticed she was pregnant again. Oh, please forgive me. Adure, I'm so sorry. I want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. My prince, please forgive me, my crown. I did all this because I love you so much. And I never wanted to
share you with anybody. Please forgive me. It was because I love you so much. I am sorry to say that I cannot be a mother. I knew I was not going to give you a child even before we got married. Please, my womb was damaged. Courtesy of a mistake I made in the past. I actually removed the pregnancy. Please forgive me.
Bobby! Bobby, no! Come and see the fish I brought for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
After fishing travel the whole night, I caught this one alive for you.
Thank you, it's big.
Touch it. Touch it, it's just like you. Come and see. Just touch it.
It's very big.
Touch it. Come back. Now, okay. I want you to take this thing inside and prepare a very delicious olubu soup.
Okay, no problem. Let me go in and get something to eat.
Alright, go. Yes.
Okay. I think.
Give me that come.
No.
I love come. Oh, come.
Okay, for the last time, I'll give you this time around.
Alright.
Oh, take it easy.
See, love. See, whenever I set my eyes on you, I remember how much I'm loved. No, my love for you never will always keep burning till the end of the day. I love you so much.
If Nanya, my heart beat. You know what?
What?
I want to assure you that nothing will make me leave you. Wow. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming into my life, okay? I love you so much.
I love you more.
Thank you. So, what are we having tonight?
Your favorite, Akidi. Akidi and Yam.
You must be kidding.
Sure.
No, Akidi so very well.
No. I know you want some more.
Yeah, I want some more. Please, some more. Please. I love you so much.
Love you, Mama. Nothing else but you.
Yeah. Okay, let me now open for you. So that for me. Take it easy, babe. Just one bite. Just a bite.
Okay.
Just a bite. Just a bite.
Oh, stop. I don't think you
No,
I don't want to.
Sorry, it took time, yeah? Yeah, it takes time to the bed, yeah? Check it very fast. Hope it will work very fast. Again, I'll do it for. It will work now. I've gotten pregnant 3 times and I've used this. Yeah, it worked. Look what it was. Well, drink everything. Sorry. One if I know now. Been a me, I'm gonna do so. Bye-bye.
Everyone here also has a hand in what happened to Ajiri. My princess, a toad does not want to what do I owe this visit? Abalawan, I want to have a private discussion. Private discussion, you see? Abalamwani, I came to ask for a great favor, and I will be glad if my request is being granted. And what would that be again? Abalamwani, I want you to make sure Ajiri dies tomorrow. I don't want her to survive the oath. It is either she dies or she is being banished. Yes, I, Princess Nwaka, wants to be the only queen the people of Umungene will have and know. Ah! You want me, Abalawani, to compromise the standard of the gods? Oh, Alo! Abalawani, Princess Nwaka is ready to back up this request with huge pride. Yes. Let me start with this. Abalawani, all these are yours. And you know my father's land at Umuchime before the riverside. That land will also be yours. Think about it, Abalawani.
Hey!
You say sure? Forgive me. You should forgive me. Please forgive me. Forgive me. I am so sorry. And I am ready to change. Please, please.
Yay!
What are you doing out here, Adam? Nothing. What is it? I just want to see fresh air. But what about fresh air? Who are your sisters? I'm sleeping. And you are here. By this time, you said nothing. But what about fresh air? Daisy. Mom will never make it. Good night, Mama. Good night, Mama.